A lot of students like to work with their hands, and they like to make things. Everybody doesn't go to work for the same thing. Some people go to work just to do the job, but some people, they like to see what happens after they're finished with what they're doing. Manufacturing, you do see that tangible aspect of it.
To be honest, since I'm a hands-on person, it's pretty fun. There's always something new. Whether it was something easy or something complicated, it was still fun.
In my past, I worked as a housekeeper, and I just didn't see myself working there forever, so I saw the opportunity and I took it.
One of the best reasons to come through the technical college system is you get hands-on training on the equipment that you'll be using at the job site. It's not theoretical, and so they already have the familiarity, they already have the training on it, and so they're able to get up to speed and become a productive employee much faster.
Some of the reasons you might consider a position in manufacturing, not only because you can grow in your career, but also we offer great benefits like tuition reimbursement. You can work in manufacturing, improve your skills, go to school, and make a great living.
The skills gap is becoming wider every day. We see it all the time with people retiring, and so there's a lot of need for people with those skills to take the place of the people that are retiring.
I thought it would have been hard to break into a field like this, but once you start talking to people, you start to see that like it's a big demand. So you got guys that got experience leaving, and then it's like this big void of who's gonna fill it.
I feel very prepared to work in the environment because of my time here.
In the 20 years I've been here, I've seen many people come for training, learn a little something, come back again, and come back again for more training. I have seen TCSG change lives. I have seen it firsthand, and they are so happy and appreciative that they've learned new skills, they've been able to apply those skills on the job, and now they're coming back again.
Don't let people tell you that there's not great careers in manufacturing, because it's not true. Go back to school, do what you love, and find a job in manufacturing.